Okay, welcome. Today I am going to be doing some EFT tapping for addictions. So enjoy. Okay, so I am inside today. It is a very wintry day outside. We've had quite a lot of snow, so that is why I'm not outside. It's quite blowy. So I thought today, a subscriber asked me a question a few weeks ago about addictions. So I thought, it's something that I've started to do more with my coaching, is doing EFT tapping, and I thought that, well, I'll do some tapping for addictions today. So if you need to find out how to do it, there's lots of videos out there, so we're just going to start tapping on addictions. So work out first of all your SUDS level. So that's basically how drawn to having your addiction you are at the moment. So 1 being not at all, 10 being really intense. So just gauge where you're at with that. Okay, and then we just start tapping, karate chop point. So just tapping with these fingers on either side is fine. And even though I feel like I really need my substance, I really need my fix at the moment, I'm okay. Even though I really feel addicted at the moment, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel addicted, I have a draw. I'm drawn to having something. I want it. I'm okay. Okay, so we'll move through the points. I feel addicted. I feel addicted. Under the eye, I feel addicted. Under the nose, and that's okay. On the chin, and it's a struggle. On the collarbone, just beneath the collarbone point, and I'm addicted. That might be to alcohol, under the arm, top of the head. It might be to cigarettes, top of the eye. It might be to drugs, side of the eye, to food, under the eye. It might be to pornography, under the nose. Whatever that addiction is, that's what I'm feeling now. Under the collarbone, and that's okay. Under the arm, that's what I feel now. Top of the head, I feel addicted. Side of the top of the eye, and I make peace with that. Side of the eye, I make peace with that feeling. Under the eye, I don't push it away. Under the nose, and I don't let it control me. Under the mouth, I just acknowledge I feel addicted. Under the collarbone, I really want that substance, that fix now. Under the arm, I let myself feel that feeling. Top of the head, I meet that feeling. Top of the eye, maybe there's feelings beneath that. the eye, maybe emotions bubbling up. And I can give myself that space under the nose to not only feel these feelings under the mouth, but to let them go. Under the collarbone. You know what? Under the arm. It's been a really long time. Top of the head. That I've pushed these feelings under. Top of the eye. And yet in this moment, side of the eye, I make peace with these feelings. I feel hope. Under the nose. If I can feel these feelings and not pick the substance up, not pick my habit up, under the arm, that brings real hope. I can feel hope. Top of the head, I feel hope. I feel real compassion for myself. Side of the eye. I've been holding on to this for such a long time. Under the eye. And I feel hope that it's changing. There is part of me waking up. And I'm feeling peace. Under the collarbone. That feeling of addiction under the arm is dissipating. Top of the hair is being replaced by hope. Top of the eye by feelings of peace. Side of the eye. It feels good. I am finding wholeness. Under the nose. I am loving those parts that I've not dared to love. I am loving those parts of myself. Under the collarbone that I've not dared to love. Under the arm, I'm feeling whole. Top of the head, I can feel my heart opening. Feels good. Side of the eye, it feels really good. Because now I know there's hope. When I feel this pull towards my addiction, under the mouth, I know that I can tap instead. Under the collarbone, I can make peace with this part of myself. Under the arm, and I am doing that. What a warrior I am. Peace. So now grabbing the wrist point here, so breathing in. And as you breathe out, peace. Okay. So just think of something else, just distract yourself, and think of what you had for breakfast. Yep. Okay, and then go back to what the energy is, the SUDS level from 1 to 10. How much are you drawn towards this substance? If you still have energy, if it's still a 5 and upwards, then keep tapping. And maybe you will uncover other things to tap upon. What I would recommend with addictions is usually there are some core memories in there. And what I would recommend doing is maybe going on to a EFT practitioner's website and finding a practitioner to work with and helping you to move through these blocks. This is something that I offer, and you can find more details of that on my website, pierscross.com. So yeah, please use this tapping for when you're feeling addicted, when you're feeling that urge to pick your substance, whatever it may be, alcohol, drugs, pornography, food, up, just meeting it and sending a new, more peaceful, hopeful feeling through the body. So, many blessings to you, and may you be well.